Good morning, everyone. So welcome back with NE7tv. So we got pretty good day for today. So on it's Monday, we have just the second on Monday on October, or actually the third, October 3rd. So we can tell Dow Jones getting up a little bit, like 120 some this morning, 126, 130, but right now it's 190. It's mean the market's going to be back a little bit, like over 200-300 points. But anyway, and they're going to drop back down for today. Please sell all the call out. And if you want to keep the put, you can keep it. But anyway, when you get the profits, better just sell them out and get some later on. So anyway, we can tell for the overview, and especially the big company, like because the way they lost more than the small one, like Tesla, Google, Amazon, all the Microsoft. They lost a lot. So especially SP 500, we can tell it's getting up like 7 points, but right now it's getting up over 20 points. And its NASDAQ kind of lost a little bit this morning, but right now they positive 22 points. So Dow Jones was 120 points, right now it's like almost 200 points. So we can tell they go, goes off and on a little bit, right around $1,672. And all the food price, gold, silver, and especially those metal one it's don't move that much, but the food price starts moving, but especially only coffee didn't move that much. So we can tell a lot of big companies like NVDA, AMD had to drop like around 60, and the shop was like 26. That's a big drop for because the inflation number, and then the economy numbers went down so much, and the interest rate went up so high. That's the most highest in 15 years, and we're going to say this is going to be the most higher in 20 years. It's going to be soon. Careful, it's going to be. And if someone asks me a time, say, hey, like what's month, like what years? Oh my God, it's coming soon. It's coming soon. You don't have to ask what years, just the next few months. So, and especially ETFs like SPY, people can buy them like $350 and get ready for QQQ $260. So, and then there's the option area. We can see a lot of put down there, and like 5 put like for cars. So anyway, and you have to pick the right one. Doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter what they move. Like honestly, all of them you still have the profits, but be careful. If you're stuck somewhere and you don't know how to get out, you will lose all. Be careful, and very careful. Like one more time, I want to say it's not recommendation for the beginner. Like you need to study for a long time and work hard on your knowledge to become to joining or involved in the option area, because option area for usually they spend for the one who have like more knowledge, and it's very careful, and especially they have to be really fast. If you're slow, you should not touch it. And the first one I'm going to take a look, there's a UAL for 2025. That's pretty good. CCL 2022. I can get like around October, the end of October or December. That's be better. So anyway, it's a big one like Tesla been lost a lot this morning, like I believe like 5%. That's a big drop. And Microsoft dropped a lot too, like almost 2%. and Apple like more than 3%, Meta dropped almost 1%. So anyway, BCG, EQT, there's a lot of them gain up, but anyway, it still have a some place gained. Like on the left side is like FNGR, SAI, FXLE, ATXI, so all of them's gained. And the last ones that list after, like all of them lost a lot. That's so easy. And but the big percent, like more than 37%, is ATER. You can call them ATER. And 35% is EDSA. EVCT. It lost more than 30%. So all of them, and especially just now that CCL, we're going to see them soon, but this one is Forex. So you can call them money side, like money areas or money exchange. Anyway, whatever word you want to use, but when you see US dollar and Europe and euro, you know where's that at, and BTC. So especially this kind of a good map, and especially this one, the crypto, all the crypto, we can see them gained fully. And that is long last that well, because it's today the balance system going to be run really pretty good, and the crypto be down again and the stock going up again. If the economy like swing around that, if the economy went down, everything will go down. And indicate with the big Dow Jones indicate, we see Dow Jones SB 500 and Nasdaq up there, Russell, Nikkei. This is kind of like for everything, like very overview and very general, like a whole picture of the markets, what they look like today. But we can tell by the color is green more than red, and we know it's going to be red very soon, and it's going to be back green again. So anyway, no way to run away from the picture show, because like honestly I don't trust the alphabet, I just trust the number, and the percent and those numbers will not lie to you. And especially like Allegiant, like healthcare, like AL, like American Airlines, those big companies, but still, they still lose some. It's not because that's the market right now. And especially Tesla, $250 is the best of the best, because like you can buy $250 right now and sell them like $270, $75. You make like $25 in like a week, because compared with last week, it lost like $18 for a week. And think about that, it's going to be gain back at least $15, $20 in a couple of days. It's really fast, and especially that cap drop a little bit, like 831, and last week it was 900 something, 930 something, and 927. That's what I remember somewhere in my mind. So the highest one is 414, lowest one at 206, and right now around 250 is not that bad. And the next one going to be AMC, keep them around $6. Anyway, you can buy them $6, sell them $8, $10. Just buy some of them for you have something to watch, 10, 20 shares, 50 shares, like 100 shares won't hurt anything. So we not focus that much on AMC for today, but anyway, and the next one going to be CCL's Carnival, one of the biggest cruise system in America. It's one of the big 10, like the 10 biggest one. So it's really good. Food kind of okay, but it's like drink, service and drink, I like it. Very good, because we've been there before, we know exactly what's going on. So the cap kind of went down a little bit, 8.7. This was 9.3. It's okay, because the big sectors went down, like a mom hungry and all the kids hungry. That's normal and very easy to understand. So highest one is 26 and lowest one is 6. It's running around like 20 to 45 cents a day. It's not that bad, but the rotation is $20 in a year. That's pretty good. So we need, before we buy something, we need to calculate, we need to see where's the daily rotation, yearly rotation, and especially watch out the capital levels which went up or went down. So anyway, many different reasons, but doesn't matter whatever the market's up or down, we still make money. That's the power of the education, and that's real education compared with the profit. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you.